this video, we will learn how to describe a house, 房子, or an apartment, 公寓. Let's have a virtual house tour first. 这个公寓2房1厅. The apartment has 2 bedrooms and 1 living room. 这是厨房. This is a kitchen. 厨房里有一个大冰箱和一张饭桌. There is a fridge and a table in the kitchen. 这是客厅. This is a living room. 客厅里有一张沙发、一个电视、一张椅子和2张桌子. There is a sofa, a TV, a chair, and 2 tables in the living room. 公寓里有2个卧室. There are 2 bedrooms in the house. 卧室里有一张床、一张桌子和一把椅子. There's a bed, a desk, and a chair in the bedroom. 这是厕所，厕所很干净. This is a restroom. It's very clean. It's a very beautiful apartment, isn't it? Now, let's learn some useful phrases so that you can describe your own house to others. The first phrase is number 房, number 厅, or number 室, number 厅. This phrase tells us the number of bedrooms, living room, and dining room in a house. For example, 2房1厅 or 2室1厅 means 2 bedrooms, 2个卧室 and 1 living room, 1个客厅. 3房2厅 or 3室2厅 means 3 bedrooms, 3个卧室 1 living room, 1个客厅 and 1 dining room, 1个饭厅. Now, let's take a look at the house renting advertisement. Can you find out how many bedrooms and living rooms are there in the houses? Well, the first one is 2房1厅 2 bedrooms and 1 living room. And the second one is 3室1厅 3 bedrooms and 1 living room. Next, I'm going to introduce the second pattern to you. This pattern expresses similar meaning as there are or there is in English. The pattern is place, 有 object. For instance, 这个公寓有一个卧室和一个客厅. This apartment has a bedroom and a living room. 有 literally means to have. In this example, it means existence. And we always put words like 里, 外, 上, 下 after the place to provide more details of the location of the object. So it becomes place, 里, 外, 上, 下 blah 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 plus 有 plus object. For example, 这个公寓里有一个卧室和一个客厅. It means inside the apartment there is a bedroom and a living room. 这个公寓外有一个公园. There is a park outside the apartment. In addition to the 2 patterns, it's equally important to learn the names of the furniture and the right measure words for different furniture. For example, 一把椅子 a chair. 一张沙发 a sofa. 一张桌子 a desk. 一台冰箱 a fridge. 一个书架 a bookshelf. 懂了吗? Now, let's practice. Please look at the image and explain to me how many rooms there are in the image. Name the rooms and talk about what is inside the room. Well, here is how I will introduce the house. 这个公寓2房2厅，客厅里有沙发、电视和椅子，厨房里有冰箱和饭桌，卧室里有一张床。这个公寓很漂亮。Okay, that's the end of today's video. I look forward to learning about your room. 再见。